Okay, hump day, we get a sunrise. That looks pretty decent. So, here you go, Wade. Lower a little bit, see some sunshine hitting down there. The barn and the flag lit up this morning. And yep, flag's just hanging there. I thought today was supposed to be another one of those days it was going to rain. We had one day that they actually called for 0 chance. Like we've really got anything for the rest of it. Yeah, a little sun there too. A little chilly this morning. Not too bad. Cold enough that if I flipped the switch in the shop, the furnace would be on. And it's turned down to like 40. Because that's as low as it goes. I'm not sure what Blue was looking at when I stepped out the door. Did a little low-tone growl, and he's been looking that way, and I just don't see nothing from here. Nothing he'd be interested in anyway. Oh well. Well, there's the latest little sick boy. Up and eating. She was standing here staring at the water trough complaining, so maybe I better give her some water. What do you think there, kid? Huh? Yeah, you look a little better than a couple days ago. Moving around all right, for the most part. Acted kind of like a preemie the way he's moving. It'll watch you when you stick your head back there, kiddo. Those of you that don't know and haven't seen it, you know, calves can either eat from the side or they can eat from the back. Sometimes when they eat from the back, they get a nice warm surprise over their head. I like to call them little shitheads. I think they all do it at some point. Now, if those three would just hurry up and do it. I think the magic date is June 4th for all of them to be done. And that far one looks like she's getting some udder on her. Sorry, I gotta keep an eye on the water while I'm doing this. Let's see. Yeah? Pretty much looks like there's getting to be something there. This closer one, her teats are hanging down a little, like it looks like there's something starting to go. And that one's standing out there. I really don't know if I can see it, but I don't know if I can make it so you can. In between the boards there in the middle of the screen, you can see the side of her udder, and it looks like it's starting to plump up a bit. I hope so. And, you know, God knows why all 4 of these were quote, due June 4th. But that was the magic number that got put down. He's still having breakfast. I hate to disturb her. Let him eat. Oh well. I already got too much for the day. Jeez, and I barely got started. Now the WTF moment. See that thing laying across there? That's an O-ring. That's actually the top one. That one in this hole, that's in the middle ring, middle ridge, middle groove, whatever you want to call it. The middle groove is what goes to the weep holes on the outside. That one is the top one. That one is the top one. I haven't got that one yet, but it's in the middle one. And the back one is in the top one. Number 1 pulled 2 rings out each one of these holes. And everything I found, there's a black one and a red one. Well, she was pulling colors from different spots than they should have been on part of it. That explains it. So, somebody either neglected to pull part of the rings before and just threw one in a groove that was there, or they threw one in anyway so that it couldn't seep out when something happened. Explains why. I mean, you know, that's been that way for a long time. That one has too. So is that one. So is that one. So just one more thing pointing toward O-rings. Reason if you have a drill die, you keep the chuck. Turn the 3/8 bolt down to fit in that one for an extension. You go to that one so she can start cleaning up down around the O-rings. Because that is such a mess. There's been water in there for years. And yes, love this little thing. This is one of those things, if you notice the weld, when Dad worked in town, a tool like this would get dropped. Handle break. They threw it in the garbage. So he would, back then it was called Heliarc, he would take it up and bring it home because it was no longer any use to them. This thing has been here for literally as long as I can remember. It has had the living piss used out of it, and it just keeps going. Hopefully it does just keep going, because God knows you can't get one like it nowadays. Look at the cleaner. It's a lot cleaner. Still not perfect, but look at that nice shiny journal. I just got done miking them. I got 2 measurements off each one. If I show you where we're looking instead of looking where I'm looking. Spec is 2.298 to 2.299. I think it was on number 1 and number 2. I found one spot on each that was 2.998. Everything else is 2.999, including the other spots I measured on number 1 and number 2. So that is awesome. And something else we did, we ran numbers. The number for this actual tractor we had written in the book. And of course the rear end has been changed. It's out of a donor tractor. I thought it was a 62 model. No, they're both 1961. Not that it don't change anything for parts. Parts are the same. It's just kind of like, okay, it's a year older than we thought. This is the 7,045th John Deere 4010 that was made. And the back piece was the like 1800th one or something like that. But they're both serial numbers come back as being 1961. Becky's chomping at the bit at the door. She's okay, hurry up.
Ron, I love his sticker.
She says to tell Rural Life with Ron she loves his sticker because she's staring at it.
I really do love his. I love the writing.
And of course, Robbie's sticker, she fell in love with it because, there was his
Oh,
face. Isn't that cute?
There's cute Rockin' Robbie. Look at that baby face.
I like the IP Farm sticker. It almost doesn't show up too good on the door with it position.
I am in love with
Heisinger Farms is nice.
They're all nice, but
Making
I really
it happen.
love.
Burning Dinosaurs, that's a good one. That was the first one I got.
I really love.
And we got American Tradesman over there in the corner.
Rick Bork's Dumpster Fire.
Yep, the dumpster fire at Rick Bork's.
Thomas Farms, Greasy Paws.
Yep, Thomas Farms is a nice sticker. And then there's Greasy Paws, which he had to change that. And
Boeing 787.
He did leave a comment somewhere here a while back. He's on a little pause. His life is changing around. He's got him a girlfriend. He got him a new place to live.
Ooh,
and
girlfriend.
hopefully he
What's he
pops
thinking?
up with some videos again sometime. So anyway, most of the day has been kind of like this, off and on. It's plenty warm enough. And Calf's doing good down there. Everybody else is doing good. Actually, the group that's out back came up into the lot and came up and had some dry hay today. Kind of surprised me.
Right.
So anyway, a little shorter video today. Make up for them long ones. I got to go find, hopefully somewhere in the house, in the basement where some of Dad's tools are still at from way back when. I need a bigger micrometer. I only have a 3-inch in the shop, and that's the only one there, and I need a 4-inch to do the mains tomorrow. So I'm gonna go look for that. Becky's gonna
Go start dinner.
go start dinner and
Fried potatoes and fried beef hearts.
yum. Anybody don't like that don't know what real food
We
is.
are eating good tonight.
So, okay, she's going that way and I'm going this way.